In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contacts from Freshsales. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main screen where you can see the left-hand navigation bar. This is the vertical menu that stays visible as you move around the CRM. Exporting a contact is useful when you need to save a record outside of Freshsales, share it with a teammate, or keep a backup for your own files. First, go to the Contacts section. On the left vertical navigation bar, select the Contacts icon. It looks like a person's silhouette. As soon as you click it, Freshsales will take you to your contacts list view, where you can browse and search through the contacts already in your system. Next, locate the specific contact you want to export. In the list view, find the row for that person and click directly on their name. This opens the contact record so you can see the full details. If you have many contacts, take a moment to confirm you opened the correct one by checking the information on the page, such as the name and any key details you recognize. Once you are inside the contact record, move to the top right area of the page. Look for the three-dot icon, which is the menu for additional actions you can take with that contact. Click the three dots to open the menu, and then select Export. This tells Freshsales to prepare an export file for that one contact record. After you choose Export, the export will be delivered to you by email. You will be able to download the file from your inbox once it arrives. If it does not show up right away, give it a little time, since exports can take a moment to process. Also, make sure you check the inbox associated with your Freshsales login, and if necessary, look in your junk or spam folder in case your email service filters automated messages. When the email arrives, open it and download the exported file, then save it somewhere you can easily find later, such as a dedicated folder for CRM exports. That covers everything you need to know.